inchworming. Osmo versus GoPro. We're gonna see which one has a better image and which battery lasts the longest out here. This should be pretty fun. We're gonna get into a lot of good action. This thing filled up super high because of the full moon and a big west swell. And I'm kind of the only guy down here right now. That board looks like it works freaking well for you. Yeah, it's like a little skate deck. I know. Had to put the cameras down. River wave got so fun. I had to hop on it. Here's the after. It's probably might be a 60-foot wide canyon today. Best river break of 2026 by far. That thing was huge. GoPro versus Osmo Action 6. I'll let you decide which one's looking better. are gearing up for a little beach day. Wanted to just show you the two cameras that I've been shooting with nonstop. Got the Osmo Action 6 and the GoPro Hero 13. We've been shooting in 4K 60 on both cameras. This one has ultra wide field of view. This is shot on super view, so very comparable field of views. Both have great image stabilization. Noticed with the Osmo, I get a really long battery life, 4+ hours. The GoPro has been a little less than that, probably 2.5, 3 if you're lucky. And we just had a GoPro casualty the other day. The side port got some water inside of it and it's no longer charging or working at all. So this Osmo Action 6 has just been very reliable. Haven't had one break on me yet, so that's a huge plus. Really enjoy the quick magnetic release of the Osmo Action 6. That makes it super convenient for changing from mount to mount. We're just gonna show you some side-by-side shots and let you decide which image you like best. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoy the rest.
That was perfect.